Now student, in this video we are going to understand the step to convert a direct speech to indirect speech. In our previous video, I have explained what is direct speech and what is indirect speech with example. And in that video, I have explained the three important concepts. I hope you understand that. Now let's start how to convert a direct speech to indirect speech. Basically, we have to understand the 6 steps. Now, first is identify. This is the most important step. First, in identify, you have to identify subject, object, reporting verb, first person, second person, third person, and the last is tense. Now, second is change of reporting verb. It will change in the following way. Now, look at this chart. Here you can understand that how we can change of reporting verb. Here, said to will convert or change into told. Said changes into said. Say to changes into tell. And says to changes into tells. Now here we use the verb say, tell and ask in reported speech to convey the speaker's message. We can also use verbs such as state, promise, warn, inquire, advise, wish, suggest and so on to report what someone said. Such verbs are also called reporting verb. Now see, questions are introduced by reporting verb, so we can use asked or inquired. Exclamation and wishes in reported speech are introduced by verbs such as wondered, exclaimed, wished, blamed or praised. Or if commands and requests are introduced by words such as ordered, requested or commanded. Now I hope you understand change of reporting verb. Now third is replace of quotation mark with that. Here you have to remove comma and inverted comma in the sentence and join the reported speech with that. This is the third one. Now fourth one is change of pronoun. Like first person will be decided as per subject, second person will be decided as per object and third person will remain unchanged. This is the fourth one. Now fifth one is change of tense. It will happen when reported verb is in past tense and reported speech is not universal truth or habit. It will happen in following way. Now here is the chart where you can easily understand. Now see here, present simple present tense changes into simple past, present continue changes into past continuous, present perfect changes into past perfect, present perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous. In past tense, you can see simple past, past perfect, past continuous will change into past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous will remain unchanged. And the last one is future. In future, will, shall will change into would and should, and can, might will change into could or might. Now I hope you understand the fifth step also. Now the last one is update time specific word. Now let's understand this with the help of the chart. Update time specific words. Now here will change into there. Tomorrow will change the next day. Today will change like that day, yesterday, the previous day, this, that, now, then, and tonight will be that night. Now here you can see that in your book, Grammar and More, class 7th, in page number 105, you can see the direct speech and reported indirect speech. You will see the same chart. Like this will change into that, these, those, now, then, ago, before, earlier, last night, the previous night, the night before, next day will change the following day, the day after, today will change into that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day, the day before, tomorrow will change into the next day, the following day, the day after. Now these are the important 6 steps you have to learn or you have to understand. I hope you understand these many points. Now let's take some example so that you can easily understand the concept of direct speech and indirect speech and how you have to convert direct speech to indirect speech. She said to me, I am playing football with you now. This is indirect speech and let's convert it into indirect speech. Now first step is identification. She is the subject here. Said to is reporting verb. Me is the object. I is the first person here and you is the second person. And as said to is in past tense, so let's check the tense. The tense is I am playing football. So this is in present continuous tense. Now let's take the second step. And second step is change of reporting verb. Said to will become told here. Third step is replace of inverted comma with that. So the sentence will become like she said to me that. Now let's take the fourth step. Fourth step is change of pronoun. I is first person. So it will convert into she. You is second person. So it will convert into me. Now let's take the fifth step. Now fifth step is change the tense. Now here in this sentence it is in present continue. So it will convert into past continuous tense. So here I am playing will convert into was playing. Now let's take the last step. Sixth step is change of time. Now here the word now tells nearness. So it will convert into then. Now let's convert direct speech into indirect speech with the help of these 6 steps. So here the sentence will convert like she told me that she was playing football with me then. So this is indirect speech. I hope you will understand the 6 steps and now can easily convert into direct speech into indirect speech. Thank you, students.